Okay, this is going to be a quick run through on how to get started in the Artemis system. So when you first log in, you'll see a dashboard, maybe a little bit like this, maybe a bit different depending on how it was set up. Now to get started in Artemis, the first thing you'll need to do is to add a task. Now the quickest way to do that is to click on the little blue arrow in the top right hand side. And you can say that you're going to ask someone in your organization to do something, and you can give them a description how you want them to do it. So give them a description of what you would want them to do, and then you can pick a user out and save. Now that simply sends off that request to that person. It also does something else. It stores it in this captured tasks title. Now we're going to have a look at what the titles mean in the Artemis system. If you go to business and you go to overview, you'll come into the business overview interface. And here are all the different business units that have been set up. And you'll notice that there is also one called Captured Tasks Unit. Now underneath the Captured Tasks business unit, there is the Captured Tasks title. Now that title has a reviewer, it doesn't really matter, and then it has all the tasks that were sent via the Capture a Task form out to the different people in your business. Now why do we do that? Well, it's quite simple. We can go through and review each one of those tasks that was generated, and we can either get rid of them, or what you can do is if you find a task that looks like it's something that you're going to do on a regular basis, you can set it up to reoccur however often during your work period as need be. You can set up some sort of KPI recording. You can have it record some sort of text response. You can have it record either just a yes or no that the task was done. You can set it to whether someone needs to review the task, and then you can make it active and save that task, and the line disappears. And then you can say, I want this task to be done by our social media manager. Simply drag it to the social media manager task and set it to move. And there we have look up new Facebook groups weekly, assigned to the social media manager. And then finally, to make sure that the task actually gets done by somebody, as we go to the admin area on the top left here, and we assign the task to someone. Social media manager assigned. So now Mahesh is going to get that task and any other associated task to that title in his inbox as per the schedule that's been set up.